Hey everyone, we got another video we put together going over reloading our 5-inch supply line. So one of the things we noticed that how we normally load our supply line by running through a hose wringer and then immediately start loading it on the back of the truck with a daisy chain effort from everybody or what. But we've noticed that the 5-inch doesn't lay down quite as flat as the 4-inch hose we've always used for supply line. So through watching other departments, and actually got some members of our department out there in the field that are reloading the hose after they roll it up into a roll. It seems to really make the 5-inch lay down a lot flatter and really make your hose load look a lot better and cleaner.
So once you're done with your hose and you've got your couplings broke on your supply line, you can just start on the uphill side and start rolling that hose downhill. That pretty much takes the place of what we've done with the wringer. As long as you keep a tight roll, it'll pretty much squeeze all that excess water out of that roll. Get you a rock bar, push through the middle next to your coupling there that your hose is rolled around, and then get you a person on each end of that rock bar. And you can pick it up, stand a few feet away from your tailboard. That way you've got room for a person to stand there to pull hose off the roll. I'd put a person on the tailboard to load up in the back of that hose bed like we've always done. Then you get you a couple of people up there in the back of the hose bed, and this hose rolling out of the roll like that when you reload it. It'll really make the hose bed really clean and lay down a lot flatter